Okay, we'll start the class. In the last class, we have discussed principle 7. We have discussed the last class, that is principle number 7, where we discussed about the convoy, the convoy and the rats. We have discussed principle 7, where the example was about the convoy and the rats. Yes. So what are the things we glanced in the last principle? The last principle basically told us that the errors will come in clusters. Yes, the errors or defects will come in clusters. Once the defects come in clusters, what will be what testers will do? The testers will clear that error. Once the tester will clear that error in a convoy or in a cluster, again a new error will be raised. Okay, a new error will be raised. So like this, what happens? One error fix ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು error ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So this is what convoy or a cluster. And the person called as Glenford person, what he told, as you go on clearing the errors, but still there will be errors in our system. As you go on clearing the errors, but still there will be errors remaining in our system. So this is what we discussed totally in the last principle, that is principle number 7. That is principle number 7, defects occur in convoys or clusters. So similarly, convoy and the rats we have discussed. So coming to this next principle, we'll discuss today the next principle, that is principle number 8, that is testing encompasses defect prevention. Here another one thing, your attendance will matter. Why only few students today? What about others? So principle 8, testing encompasses defect prevention. So testing encompasses defect prevention. What is the meaning of this 8th principle? Testing encourages defect prevention. Coming to the example, defect prevention means what here? Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. What is the meaning prevention is better than cure? Instead of taking tablets after once we get the fever, it is better to take before the precaution. So prevention is better than what is called as a cure. Coming to the example here, the policeman on the bridge. Okay. So this principle basically concentrates on defect prevention. Defect ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Error prevention. It is better to prevent. Okay, it is better to prevent the occurring of an error. It is better to prevent the occurring of an error. Okay, than what? Than once we detect the error, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ prevention. So here the best example they have given is policeman on the bridge. It's a good story. Please come on time everybody. Okay, so I'll explain here the story of the policeman. As you can see, the example title is the policeman on the bridge. Okay, as you can see, before going to the story, I'll just tell you, look at the image. What is the image about? There is something bridge here. Okay, there is a bridge, and here below the bridge what will be there? Of course a river. Yes, there will be a river. So here top you can see there is a bridge, and here you can see two persons. One person is falling from a bridge. Wait till they are coming. Okay, as you can see here, there is a river at the bottom. Illi river adanu tilkore. Here we have a bridge, and you can see two persons here. You can see here two persons. In that, one person is what? One person is falling from a bridge, and another person is just holding the person. One person ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತದ, ಒಬ್ಬತ ಬೀಳ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಾನ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬತ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕತ್ತಾನ. So this is the image. When you see the image, you will come to know this. Fine. Now, what is the story behind this? What is actually the policeman on the bridge? What this story wants to tell us? How it is related to this title, that is testing encourages defect prevention. How it is related? We'll see now the story. Fine. Consider there is one place. Okay. Imagine there is one city. Okay, there is a city or a town where it consists of a river, okay, or a village. Better consider. We'll go to one imaginary story that there is one village. In that village, there is a river. I think whenever you go to any of the places, from one place to another, you come across many of the villages, right? You come across many of the villages. Villages like river irbodu, keri, enadru ಆ type irbodu. So bridge antru compulsory irtade. Whenever you have a river or anything, canal or anything, on top of that there will be a bridge. Fine. Now this story will go like this. Listen carefully. Imagine there is one village. In that village there is one river. If there is a river, there will be obviously a bridge where people will go and come across the bridge daily. Fine. Once what happened is, the bridge, due to some lack of what is called as lack of maintenance, I just want to tell, due to lack of maintenance, the bridge gets damaged. Damage ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? There will be a big hole in the bridge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? one person ಬೀಳೋಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನ. ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿರ್ತದ? Because of lack of maintenance of whoever are responsible people in the village. So what happens? Whenever a person is crossing that bridge, immediately he falls down into the river. This is a problem. In regular problem ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. No one will take care of a bridge. No one is worried of a bridge, and not even a single minister is taking care what to do of that. So what they will do? People of that village, they will just while passing the bridge, no doubt they will be careful. Imagine if there are little bit of ignorance, due to people's ignorance, while passing into a bridge, suddenly they will not see the hole, they will come down and they will fall in the river. We don't know, they may come up or they may drown in the water. No, it is not required for us. So this will be a daily routine. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿವರ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಅದ್ರ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬೀಳಷ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ. ನೋಡೋ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮೇ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್, ದೇ ಮೇ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್. ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್, ಮೋಟರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳೋದು. ಇದು ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್, whoever is responsible for this construction, what he will do? One policeman, strong policeman ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಏನಂತ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. It is not possible in real, right? So so ministers, what they will do? They will appoint a policeman. Once they appoint a policeman again ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, strong policeman ಇರ್ತಾನ. As you can see here, he is hefty here. Policeman is little bit hefty and strong, everything. ಏನಂತಾರ ಅವರು? ಪೊಲೀಸಿಗ ನೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. whoever is falling, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೀ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. As you can see the image. Whether it is possible real? No, it is just the imaginary story. Okay. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಬೀಳಕತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆತನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸೋದು. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್, 5 to 6 months ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ಅದೇ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೀಳೋ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನ. He will hold that person, whoever is falling, and then we can keep it at the side. So this will continue for the months. After months ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಅಗೇನ್ policeman ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, ದೇ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಇರೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ once now what happens, police will get transferred to some other place, XYZ place ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಗೇನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮೆನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ as well as also their vehicles. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೂಟೀನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮೆನಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಆತ ಏನೋ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿತಾನ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಆತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ಕೂಳೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಹೊಸ ಪೊಲೀಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೊಸ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು, ಫಾರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸೇಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2ಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ ಅದೇ ಜಾಗ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2 ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನ, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಜನರು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಬೀಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2 ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಎದಕ್ ನಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು why should I not what is called think a permanent solution for this anta think ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Why not think a permanent solution for this? Why should I not do any of what is called as solution, permanent solution? So what he will do, he will go to the concerned engineer, civil engineer. Okay, he will go to the concerned civil engineer and he will tell what is the problem with this, sir, why there is a hole, what has happened here, why there is a maintenance anta he will go on speaking with that person. Who, civil engineer joti police 2 matalik start ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So civil engineer antana, okay sir nodana, okay I'll come, we will see what is the problem there. Okay, civil engineer police 2 ellaru bartara, they will see, and one fine day whatever the hole is there, ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಡೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಒಂದ್ ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ಲಿ, ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2 he will be doing his duty. ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, ಬೇರೆ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಹಿಡಿಯೋದಂತೂ ಮುಗೀತು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಏನದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ he will do some other duties. So the department, the police 2 department, police department ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, they will appreciate this police 2 for finding a permanent solution. They will appreciate whom? They will appreciate the police 2 for finding a permanent solution. No doubt it took some time to go and contact engineer to come to see that place, where it is problem, whether base is problem, whether the materials were not correct. It took some time, but at least he brought a permanent solution and happy faces in the people of a village. So now no doubt policeman also, first police also he did his work, but ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಾರ, just ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗೀತ್. whatever they have done, he went in that place. But the second police, he thought in a broader way, how can I not do any permanent solution to the village anta antane. So he will think, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಅಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಅದ, ದಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳಿಕ್ ಅಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಓಕೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಅದೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ, ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ on the other sides of a bridge here. So what happened here, the policeman 2, this is police 1, okay, hidili kartana, idu police 1, police 2 fix madbidtana. So this department people, they will appreciate him for finding the permanent solution. So policeman also did his work, police 2 also did his work, but he thought in a broader way, permanent solution, not some temporary catch hidiyodu bidodu. Okay, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಪ್ಪ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ months, years. But what is the permanent? Ita hodnandre innond policy ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. But what is the permanent solution? He thought in a broader way. And then he came to a solution by contacting an engineer. What he did? He just fixed that hole. And what happened? He got appreciation from the department. So this is the story of a policeman and the bridge, where police 1, if you want to connect with our principal, police 1, he is also a tester. Police 2, he is also a tester. Police 1 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೆಳೆಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎರರವ ಮುಗಿತ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡಿಬಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 2 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, he will see ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎರರ್ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡದ, I want to clear the permanent solution. He will go back. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. Whereas our tester for whom they will contact a developer engineer. He will talk with them. Where is actually the problem? Which code is the problem? Fix it. So he will bring a permanent solution. No doubt both the testers are doing their job, but who will get more appreciation? Who thinks in a broader way? Tester 2, who is thinking in a broader way to fix the error permanently. Definitely he will get a appreciation from the organization or a company. So this is how a small story behind a policeman on the bridge. So I'll just glance what is actually the story is. Here basically here we have two main important roles. One is policeman 1 and police 2, and we have a bridge. So I'll just glance the story once. So there will be a village where definitely there is a river, and for a river there will be a bridge for the roadside, but for the people to pass on. So what happens here? A bridge had one disadvantage, that it had a hole. Whoever would pass that bridge, ಅವರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ರಿವರ್ನ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಇದು like the ministers of that village, they thought it, and what they did, they appointed a strong policeman. What ಏನನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ policeman ಈಗ, ನೀ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿಂದ್ರು, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಿದಾರ, whoever will fall from the bridge, just hold them. If you can see the image, a strong policeman will catch a person from a top who is falling and then ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ 1 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Once this goes on continuing, months after, it goes on continuing for a month. Once it continues for a month, what happens here? This police, he gets transferred to some other place. Okay, he gets transferred to some other place. A new police will come to his place. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇತನ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, police 2 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ police 2 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 days ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾರ ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನ್ ಏನಂತಾನ, ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನಾಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು, he will contact whom? Civil engineer. He will go and contact the civil engineer, and they'll fix the hole which is present in the bridge. Once they fix the hole in the bridge, the people in the village, they'll travel smoothly across the bridge. So when we compare this with our testers basically, they are testers means whom? They are used to fix the defects. Testers andre fix defects na debug ಮಾಡಿ error gleಲ್ಲ clear ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ police 1 police 2 ಅಂತದಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, we have testers 1 and testers 2. Tester 1 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಬಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಮುಗಿತ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಡಿಬಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಮುಗಿತ್. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ 2 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಇದ್ರ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದು ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡದ, ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಅದಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ he takes the help of developer engineer. He takes the developers engineer in organization. He sits with them. He interacts with them. How this error has come. How we can debug this error. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Hing madidre henga. Hing clear madidre. He'll discuss all the possibilities with the developer engineer, and he will bring one permanent solution to the organization, so that yavattu anta error bandirbaardu. Aa thara who will do? Tester 2 will do. So, organization for whom they will appreciate? Tester 2, because he has thought a broader way. Error bandiddu clear ಮಾಡೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, but to find out a permanent solution, they require some what? They require some knowledge, and they require some willpower also. So they require the willpower. So if we do that, or if we think in a broader way, or if we try to debug the error permanently, no doubt the company will provide a appreciation for a tester too, or for us. So always, what is the motto of this principle? Always don't do whatever the error is there, ashte clear ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ. Think from where this error has come, how that error has come, what is its problem. Think always in a broader way, so that we can clear or debug the error permanently. So this is what the concept behind the 8th principle. This is the concept behind the 8th principle, where always we need to think broadly. Always we need to think broadly. Followed everybody this small story, the policeman on the bridge? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Fine. So this is a small story of a policeman on the bridge. Now we will see technically what they have given in a textbook. So first point, if you notice here, testers are probably best equipped to know the problems customer encounters. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, so testers are whom? Testers are probably best equipped to know the problems customer may inquire. Testers are no doubt they are used to fix the errors, but testers are probably ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Full completely ಅಲ್ಲ, probably they may be best equipped to know our problem. Instead of developers, testers will know. When you compare developers and testers, who will know the maximum problem of a customer? Testers. ಹೆಂಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಎರರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಸೊ customers problem will be basically or will be cleared with the testers only. So in one company ಇರ್ತದ, ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ. ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ನ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಟು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ತರ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. They'll check from customers point of view. So customers are so testers are probably best equipped. Equipment, what equipment? These are best people to know the problems of a customer. Coming to the second, rather than simply catch people who fall, idu principally story connect madara. Rather than simply catch the people who fall, they should also look at the root cause for falling and advise preventive actions. Yes, this is from the story. So what they are telling, rather than simply catch the people, rather than whoever is falling, I'm catching. Again, whoever is falling, I'm catching. Instead of that, I need to find out what root cause. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ? ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ. ಆ ಹೋಲ್ ಏನು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಸೊ whom I need to contact? All those things I need to know here. So what here they are telling, rather than simply debugging of errors, check here the root cause of that error. Contact the developed engineer. Okay. So this is what the second point is. They are connecting. Principal illi story ga principally connect madar. Okay, this point. Rather than simply catch the people who fall, they means who? Either police, here testers. Police should also look at root cause for falling and advise preventive actions. You need to advise preventive actions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? at least okay, police to ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದೇನೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಝೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಒನ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ವೇ, ಆಯ್ತದು ಹೋಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೋದಪ್ಪ ನಾನು? ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಒಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಝೋನ್, ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ that is why the organization will be expecting from us. So rather than simply catch the people who fall, they should also look at the root cause for falling and advise preventive actions. Next, testers would have to work with development engineers to make sure root cause of the defects are addressed. In the case of our story, they contacted civil engineers because bridge construction is related to civil engineers, right? So similarly, in our case, whenever we get an error, who is responsible? Developer engineers, development engineers, or a developers anta helthivi now. So whenever we have a problem, if I want to find out the root cause, I need to approach whom? I need to approach the development engineers. I need to sit with them for a while, talk how this error has come. No doubt ಒಂದ್ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು, ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ಈ ಎರರ್? All these criteria, as a tester, we need to discuss with our what is called developers, so that we get one permanent solution. So that we get what? A permanent solution. Coming to the last one, the tester should not feel that by eliminating a problem totally their jobs are at stake. Okay, so testers ಏನಂತಾರ, errors eliminate ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ, for example, I'll read the sentence once again. The tester should not feel that by eliminating the problems totally their jobs are at stake. So now they are eliminating a problem. Eliminating problems means what? Eliminating errors. Yes or no? They should not feel that if I'm eliminating the problems, my job will be in risk, or I may get a new position. For example, some of them in a department or in any of organization ಏನಂತಾರ, ನಾವೆದಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳಿವಿ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನಡೀತಿರ್ತದ ಕಂಪನಿದಾಗ, ನಾವು ಒಬ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ, ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎದಕ್ಕ ನಾನು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೇನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ, ಈ ತರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಆಲ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. when you work now you come to know. ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಬಾಸ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಏನೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ we need to be workaholic. We should not think in that way that everything will come on us. It will affect us. ಎರರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕ, ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಬಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್, ಹಂಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂತ ಆಥರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So the tester should not feel that by eliminating the problems, their jobs are at stake. Stake ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Problems. Some of the problems, or everything will come on me. What to do? ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುದು? So we should not think in that way. We should not think in that way. So our duty is to us, ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ they are telling us. They are giving us some of the inspirational messages. As a tester, what to do? I need to think in a broader way. I need to contact the development engineers. I should not think that everything will be on me. I need to think in broader way, so that our organization will be benefited and I also will be benefited. So coming to the last that is points here, like the second policeman, their careers can be enriching and beneficial to the organization if they harness their defect prevention experience and transfer some of it to defect prevention initiatives. So like the second policeman, how he thought in a broader way, if we also think in that broader way, definitely our career will be enriching and will get a good appreciation from our higher authorities, from our organization or higher authorities. So that what we do, defect detection experience and transfer some of it to defect prevention initiatives. That is what here, whenever I get a defect or error, I need to have some of the knowledge what to do with this defect. I should have some experience. And defect prevention initiatives. Defect prevention initiative means what? Just now I told you, bridge at least whole langa muchikaglandre at least board adrunu hakbek minimum. So this is what are the preventive measures I need to take. So as a second policeman, if I work like a second policeman, what happens? Definitely my career will be enriching and beneficial to the organization. And if they harness their defect detection experience and transfer, yes, yaವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ career enrich ಆಗ್ತದ, yaವಾಗ ನಾನು defect detection, when I take into mind defect detection experience, when I have experience of what to detect, how to detect, and if I take defect prevention initiatives. So finally, my duty is to take all the initiative ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ಎರರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳೋದು. Then some of and defect prevention initiatives. I need to take some defect prevention initiatives. So last point, defect prevention is a part of tester's job. They are telling us, they are concluding here, defect prevention is a part of tester's job. Yes, defect prevent madodu is a part of tester's job. A career as a tester can be, again they have repeated here, a career as a tester can be enriching and rewarding if we can balance defect prevention and defect detection activities. So when our career as a tester will be good, when we are capable to balance defect prevention and defect detection. I think you know what is, and last is prevention is better than cure. Okay, ಬೀಳೋದ್ ಬದಲು ಬೀಳೋ ಕಲರ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಬದಲು ಅದು ಮುಚ್ಚೋದೇ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ನೌ, ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು, ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ತಕ್ಕಡಿನಾಗ ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದಂಗ ಅರ್ಥ. ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ detection antada. So what is the meaning of defect errors? Prevention means what? Error means what? Before getting the errors, I need to take the preventive measures. Before getting the errors, hing madidre error barbodeno, bada bere type madana. So this is what? Defect prevention. What is defect detection? Error band mele en madodu? Detect madodu. Error we need to detect where all, in which component do I have a error, I need to detect. That is what? Defect prevention. So defect detection. So which is better according to you? Prevention is better, right? Defect prevention is better than detection. No doubt. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎರರ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ಸೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೆಸ್ಟರ್, my primary job is defect prevention. Remember, as a tester, my primary job is what? Defect prevention. So as a tester, my career will be enriching and it will be rewarding. Reward and then good rewards kodtaru nanaga. Okay. So for example, if I'm a tester, I'll be senior tester. Once I'm a senior tester, I'll be lead. So ee thara rewards kodkonta hogtaru. So my career as a tester will be enriching and rewarding if I balance, or if I know how to balance between defect prevention and defect detection activities. So obviously prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. So this is what they just want to tell with this small principle it is, that is we need to take care that instead of detecting, we need to see the preventive measures, or we need to think in a broader way. How can I find out the permanent solution for a problem? So no need to give any other example. I just want to make you clear what are the points I have covered. Only that, they will not ask any other examples apart from story. They will not ask any examples, because this subject itself they are making us simpler. They want simpler. There is another subject called as software testing. That is, I'll test cases haki programs idvu, but illi first itself they made us clear. They are taking a real time examples and they are telling us, if you be perfect with this, it's more than enough. Okay, so this is the ultimate goal of our 8th principle. Like we need to work with the second, we need to work similar to the second policeman, think broader, such that our careers will be enriching and beneficial to the organization. But we need to take care of defect prevention and defect detection techniques. Everybody followed today's class? That is today's class. Everybody followed? Just raise your hand. Fine. What about others? Sridhar, Praveen, Nikita, Kaveri. What about others? We'll end this session today. I'll continue in the next class. Fine.